Our focus this hour with the resurgence of COVID-19 cases across countries. The World Health Organization has now recorded a rapid surge in new cases of the infection. Touching a new high, the WHO tally showed that 660,905 coronavirus cases were reported to the UN Health Agency on Saturday. Now that number surpassed the previous daily record high of 614,013 recorded on November 7th. The pattern of cases being reported to the WHO tends to peak towards Friday, Saturday and Sunday and dips around Tuesday and Wednesday. Australia ended a months-long streak of no COVID-19 infections on Sunday, reporting 3 locally acquired coronavirus cases in South Australia. The new cases have raised concerns of a new outbreak, and Australia is now back on the outbreak alert. Meanwhile, Western Australia, which borders South Australia, introduced mandatory virus testing and a 14-day quarantine for interstate arrivals, tightening its border control. Germany, meanwhile, has imposed a set of measures dubbed as lockdown light to rein in the second wave of the pandemic, and has warned that its anti-coronavirus measures were likely to stay in place for several months. Restaurants are closed, schools and shops so far remain open, while Germany's economy minister Peter Altmaier has said that citizens will have to live with considerable precautions and restrictions for at least the next 4 to 5 months. Mexico City announced the closure of bars for 2 weeks after the number of people hospitalized for COVID-19 rose to levels not seen since August. The city closed down nightclubs and bars in the spring season, but later allowed some to reopen as restaurants. But since many had not enforced sanitary and social distancing measures, these places had become places of very high transmission rates. France is now in the middle of its second national lockdown aimed at curbing the spread of the virus, due to which France is witnessing a sharp rise in new COVID-19 cases and deaths. President Emmanuel Macron's government has set a December 1st deadline for this lockdown, but it could be extended if the numbers don't fall fast enough. France has registered 28,228 new confirmed cases of coronavirus and a further 302 deaths related to the disease in the last 24 hours.